to screw this up.
Your boobs are huge.
From the writer of Ocean's 11 and the creator of The Shield.
Are you gonna come visit me in prison?
For conjugal visits, yeah, sure.
Terriers.
Michael Raymond James, and you're watching Crave Online.
Michael, what can you tell us about Britt?
Britt's an awesome dude. What do you want me to say? I'm a reformed thief, and I'm working as a private investigator with my best friend Hank Dalworth in Ocean Beach, California.
We spent a lot of time in Ocean Beach where we filmed this show, and you go down there, and it's really this untouched, beautiful gem of a community that hasn't been spoiled yet. And you look at it, and you just figure there must be all sorts of rich pricks who can't wait to get their hands on this area and completely spoil it. And so, from that idea, I think, stemmed the major conspiracy theory of this first season. How do you guys stumble upon this conspiracy in San Diego County?
Do you guys shoot out here in Los Angeles?
Well, we start trying to investigate a buddy, old drinking buddy of Hank's, and like any good noir sort of mystery, it unfolds and gets deeper from there.
Conspiracy angle was great. It started out in a way that I thought could be kind of generic because I didn't even know where it was going, and then as it started to unfold, I thought, what a brilliant idea. So I think people will enjoy the conspiracy angle that doesn't really even become very clear until the 13th episode.
That's a truck!
Have a great day.
We are so boned.
What can you tell us about Hank?
Hank is very close to me. Mid-40s, loser some days, winners other days. I think he's kind of an existentially free kind of character. He's hit a place in his life where he kind of doesn't care anymore, so he goes for it Don Quixote style, and he decides to slay windmills like they're dragons, but they're actual dragons. So it was a fantastic part. It's a kind of a complicated part, and it's one of those things that I hate saying it too. It's like people have to watch and see this kind of dynamic between me and Michael Raymond James, but it was fantastic.
My character on Terriers is a no-nonsense lawyer who deals with a lot of nonsense, unfortunately. So she's sort of the one who's in charge of playing it straight, as I would say, and juggling the antics of Britt and Hank, and she's often interrupted and can't be bothered and winds up being bothered.
I know Britt, but as of now, he's just Hank's very close friend. That gets him into trouble a lot. So I have my own opinions about Britt as my character, but we don't hang out.
I am a vet student, and I'm the girlfriend to Britt Pollock, and we've been dating for a couple of years, and I'm ready to have a baby, and he's not, and I'm getting frustrated, and yet I still kind of dig him and his wild ways.
Gavin is a veterinarian student, and he's kind of a sensible guy. It was hard for me to figure out whether or not he was a protagonist or an antagonist because he was actually coming into the play and into the show and kind of mixing it up a little bit. But he still upheld his morality and his kind of noble intentions, if you will.
I play detective on the show Terriers. I'm the ex-partner of Donald Logue's character. I'm the one that kind of keeps him on the straight and narrow. I try to get him on that path, but most of the time it doesn't work.
Won't bounce.
Your checks always bounce. Your life bounces.
There's a lot of situations that he will put me in that I can't necessarily get into because, I'm a detective, I'm an officer of the law. So I can't go across some lines that he will, just go within his own free will.
Now, what's the toughest case your character came across this season trying to get these guys out of trouble?
Well, the toughest case, unfortunately, is a case that she has inadvertently been brought into because of them, which is the overall Lindemann situation and the whole. It's the big arc of the series and the whole real estate issue. You don't want to get too much. It's pretty complicated, but unfortunately, when they go to her for help, they make her involved, which really sucks for her.